Guys, welcome to my channel JS Full Entertainment. In today's video, I'll let you to know that how you can use Type-C hand-free connector in your mobile phone. If your mobile phone did not has the 3.5mm hand-free jack, no problem. I'll teach you step by step how you can use your hand-free connector. Okay, let's see. I'm plugging the hand-free connector and my phone says that accessory not support. I'll give you the solution step by step, but I request you to stay connected and watch the full video. Okay guys, here you can see I have a mobile phone which is HTC U11, which does not have the 3.5mm hand-free jack. So I'm giving you a demo like this. I'm connecting this Type-C connector and it says accessory not support. Okay, no problem. I'm connecting hand-free in it. Okay, I connected and let me play this song. You can hear the voice from the speakers. Okay, I'm pausing it and give you the solution right now. Okay, just follow a little tip. You can download this application, audio router, named audio router. I give the link into the description. I'll teach you how to use this application. Just install and open it and come on to the audio jack and put it on. Okay, I give it access to my phone. Okay, now I'm go back to the video and I'm playing it. Here you can hear it. From this hands-free which is connected to the mobile phone. I'm touching it to my phone mic. Here you can see that mobile phone is connected with the hands-free. So if you like this video, if you find your solution, then give the thumbs up and share this video. Thank you.